Welcome to our guide on enabling Shake to report on Snapchat. This feature allows you to quickly report issues in the app. First, open your Snapchat app. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen. Now, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. This is where your settings are located. Scroll down and find the Snapchat Support section. Here's where the magic happens. Tap on Report a Safety Concern. You'll find options for reporting different issues. Finally, toggle the Shake to Report feature on. Now you're set to report anything suspicious swiftly. Remember, enabling Shake to Report makes your Snapchat experience safer and more enjoyable. Share this guide with friends to help everyone utilize this feature. For more tips and features, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates. Thanks for watching. Stay safe on Snapchat. Until next time, keep shaking and reporting. Goodbye and see you in the next video.